because these things are really heavy too.
Flattens out wood. There's a blade.
Yeah, that's the blade right there.
This is a 6-inch. I wanted a 12, but I couldn't get it.
The small one, the small version of jointer. And here's a Hitachi, the powerful miter saw, right? Miter saw. This thing really good. I can use this one. It's really easy to use the miter saw. It's a Hitachi. This product of Hitachi miter saw. This one here. You cut woods on this one. It's really nice. You put wheels on this one so it's easy to move around.
This is an angle grinder with a grinding disc on it.
What brand is that?
And
What brand?
it's Bosch.
Bosch Professional Angle Grinder.
Yeah. And what I'm doing is I screwed some screws in here and they were too long, so I'm grinding them down smooth the way I did these other ones. I'm trying to fix this gate a little bit. This gate's about had it. The wood's still good, but the gate part itself, because pinchers keep riding it down. It's old. The gate's old too. So put some dowels in it.
You dowel eh?
Yeah, put some dowels in it.
Where?
And,
In there.
and then I put extra support with a piece of cut plywood also on the other side.
Look like bandage.
That's the way it's got to be. If I paint this thing black, it all blend in nice. Anyway, here it goes.
What's she doing?
Where's that move over?
What's she doing?
Wood.
What's that? I see Ike.
Move over if you get sparked.
Did you touch it and you got burned?
Yeah, you gotta touch it kind of fast like that to see if it's hot. If it's hot already, you gotta touch it kind of fast. So it's gotta. So you got a piece of metal. Got a piece of metal in my finger now. So you gotta be careful when you check it. Gotta be careful when you check them because they're hot and they're also sharp. But it's cooled down already. But anyway, that's about all these things when you get down to it. So, see it goes down.
Strong now.
It's those big heavy pinchers.
This one now, grind this one now, still stick up.
Those big heavy pinchers riding on it. I'm sure how it's one to do.
You know?
No, my luck.
Right here.
You missed one somewhere.
You scratch that. Di busuk sudah.
Where is
Right there. On the other side. You grind the whole thing in this side already. Okay, you got it.
And now to go over there alone with no help.
And here's my dogs. Hello, girls. Girls, come here. Hello, this is my IC. My IC here. Hello, IC. Kiss, kiss, mommy. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. She's wild. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss. Ah, the jealous ones here. This is Ike. She's the lover girl. Ouch! See? Crazy. Now he gonna put the, what's that, love? Gate, door, whatever you call that one. Gate. This house already have this one. What's this? Aluminum. Storm door, aluminum. But the dog, wait lang. The dog keep jumping on it, so we put that there in the side and we use this one so the dog won't destroy this because it's not ours.
And believe it or not, there was a time when this gate looked really nice because of dogs and the age of it, because it's getting older now.
No, because of those paint chairs destroying stuff. They're really heavy, dog. Hello, girls. Those girls are heavy. They like to jump. I don't know why. They got no discipline. The owner don't discipline them, but they're so lover. They love us. Especially this one. She like to love. This is Aiki. She like to hang around and keep loving on you. And this one is This one is really a playful one. She like to jump around like a horse. But she don't like hang around though. I don't know why. It's only when this one is here. I think they get jealous each other. Okay, I help you. I baby you. That's my help.
Don't worry, Barney. I'll help you with this water. I'll get you a bigger bucket. The third hole.
Don't put it back with the hole. You put inside. Put the bottom. Uh-oh. Supposed to have a screen in here, but the dog broke it also. And then jump that one again. Break it again. Okay na, sige, go.
This is not a regular drill. This is an impact driver.
Impact.
350.
Impact, right?
Yeah, $350 for this thing.
Makita, really expensive impact driver.
$350. It's a little over $350 for that. But it's only the
Uh-oh.
and of course.
Get it.
Why not?
Okay, it's done. Toing! Then I jump and then break it again. What happened? So, okay, that's good. Huh? Put in the third one.
This thing's got 3 spots where this used to be for different levels of the destruction that the dog's done.
Okay, we have to make it close here.
Just hope they don't stick their heads in it and open it.
Because I see know how to open gates. And Ike is so smart to get in too.
All that trouble with the dowels, and when they come back out tomorrow morning, it'll be bent again.
I see. This is my icy. My icy. My icy. Ouch. My icy.